Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Outlook rules for email triage and focus time, complete guide step by step clearly. To download Outlook rules for email triage and focus time, start by opening Microsoft Outlook on your computer. Navigate to the File tab located in the upper left corner of the window. In the menu that appears, look for Manage Rules and Alerts and click on it. The Rules and Alerts dialog box will open, displaying all your existing rules. To export your rules, click on the Options button found in the dialog box. Now, select the Export Rules option. You will be prompted to choose a location to save your rules file. Select a folder where you'd like to store the file and name it accordingly. Save the file as a .rwz format for easy identification later. After saving, close the Rules and Alerts dialog box. To check if your rules are successfully exported, navigate to the folder where you saved the file. Open the .rwz file to verify the contents. If everything looks good, you now have your Outlook rules downloaded. To apply these rules on another Outlook installation, open the Outlook application on the target computer. Again, navigate to the File tab and select Manage Rules and Alerts. In the Rules and Alerts dialog box, click the Options button. This time, choose Import Rules. Locate the .rwz file you previously saved and select it. Click Open to import your rules. Now your rules will be applied automatically to your new Outlook setup. Your email triage process is now set up for efficient management and focus time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.